Good morning everyone. I am Sanya Nuri and today I am presenting the media survival analysis for Bharat Herald, which is part of Resume Project Challenge 17 from Code Basics. This project allows me to apply data analysis techniques to real-world scenarios, focusing on circulation trends, advertising performance, and digital engagement opportunities. My goal has been to extract actionable insights that can guide strategic decisions as we transition toward a digital future while strengthening print operations. Let's take a look at how the dashboard works through the video demonstration. Now let's see what insights I found from the data. Copies sold and net circulation. These numbers help us understand how well our print business is doing. The chart shows the trend in copies sold and net circulation from 2019 to 2024. We can see both the numbers are steadily declining over the years, which tells us that print business is shrinking. City-wise, Jaipur is leading in copies sold and net circulation, around 31 million copies sold and 29 million in net circulation, followed by Varanasi and Mumbai. Print waste analysis. Return copies shows the extra printed copies and waste ratio shows how many of them are wasted. The line chart shows return copies and waste ratio by year. We can see return copies are gradually declining over the years, which means we are improving inventory management. The waste ratio is staying between 5.2 to 5.5%, meaning waste levels are stable, but we should still work on reducing them. City-wise, Varanasi has the highest return copies, followed by Jaipur and Mumbai, while Delhi tops in waste ratio, followed by Ahmedabad and Varanasi. Ad revenue trends. Ad revenue shows how much income we are generating from advertisements. The line chart shows that ad revenue declined between 2019 to 2021, but after that it started to increase and has remained stable, showing recovery and steady performance. Patna is at the top with 119 million, followed by Bhopal and Lucknow, indicating where advertising investments are paying off. Ad revenue by category shows how different types of ad contributed to our revenue. Here, government and real estates are the largest contributors, with value 478.45 million and 472.86 million respectively. ROI trends. ROI shows how effectively we manage our revenue and distribution to get the best return. The bar chart shows city-wise ROI. Here we can see Lucknow is at the top, about 13.71 ratio, followed by Patna and Ranchi. The line chart show ROI by year. Initially, before 2021, ROI declined, but since then it's been improving steadily, reaching 9.55 in 2024. This shows that our revenue and circulation strategies are becoming more effective. Readiness trend. Readiness score shows how prepared our audience is to adopt and engage with digital content. Readiness score by city shows that some cities are better prepared for digital engagement. Kanpur leads with 75.10%, followed by Varanasi and Lucknow. This gives us a roadmap for where we can focus our digital efforts to reach more users effectively. Readiness score over the year shows that the score has stayed fairly around 68%, meaning our audience digital adoption hasn't changed much and we need to focus on other areas. Readiness score versus engagement. Readiness score shows how prepared users were to use the digital pilot, while engagement rate reflects how many users actively interacted with the content. The line chart shows city-wise engagement rate and readiness score, helps us see which cities are more prepared and engaged. Kanpur leads in readiness score, while Jaipur has the lowest readiness score. For engagement, Patna is at the top, meaning users are interacting the most there, while Varanasi is the lowest. Audience and conversion trends. Audience size represents the total users reached through the campaigns. User sessions show how many people actually access the pilot. Conversion rate is about how well we turn visitors into customers or active users. The chart compares audience size, user sessions, and conversion rate by city. Patna has the largest audience size and user sessions, while Bhopal leads in conversion rate, followed by Jaipur. This shows where campaigns are reaching more people and where users are converting more successfully. Operational matrix. Cost by city shows how we are spending on marketing and product development in each city. Patna is at the top, followed by Bhopal and Delhi. This helps us understand where investments are being made. Drop-off rate help us understand where we are losing audience. The drop-off rate by city chart shows that Mumbai has the highest drop-off rate at 45.18%, closely followed by Lucknow and Patna, meaning users in these cities are leaving sooner than others. The feedback chart shows that 91.67% of the response are neutral, meaning users give mixed feedback. However, the data also shows that strong interest in using WhatsApp as format for accessing content. Let's move on the business request. The first business request is about monthly circulation drop check. Top 3 months from 2019 to 2024 where any city recorded the sharpest month-over-month decline. So the sharpest month-over-month decline recorded for the year Jan 2021, Jan 2024 and December 2021 for the cities Varanasi and Ranchi. Business request to yearly revenue concentration by category. Ad categories that contributed more than 50% of total yearly ad revenue. So there is no ad category which contributed more than 50% of the total yearly ad revenue. Third business request, 2024 print efficiency leaderboard. Top 5 cities based on print efficiency in 2024. The top 5 cities are Ranchi, Ahmedabad, Patna, Jaipur and Varanasi. Fourth request, internet readiness growth for 2021. Change in internet penetration from Q1 2021 to quarter 4 2021. So the cities with highest improvement in internet penetration from quarter 1 to quarter 4 2021 are Kanpur, Mumbai, Ahmedabad and so on. Fifth business request, consistent multi-year decline from 2019 to 2024. Cities where both net circulation and ad revenue decrease every year from 2019 to 2024. So there is no city where both net circulation and ad revenue decline over the years. Sixth request, 2021 readiness versus pilot engagement outlier. City with highest readiness score but among the bottom 3 in digital pilot engagement. The city with the highest readiness score is Kanpur. However, when we look at the digital pilot engagement, it ranked 4. So there is no city that has the highest readiness score but is also in the bottom 3 of engagement. Recommendations. Digital transition prioritized city. Based on ROI, readiness score and engagement rate, the 3 cities enlisted for digital transition are Lucknow, Patna and Bhopal. Digital transition strategy framework. Phase 1, month 1 to 6 foundation. Launch digital platform in 3 prioritized city. Begin the transformation with targeted digital launches, establishing presence in key markets for maximum early impact. Content strategy. WhatsApp bulletin plus mobile optimized e-papers. Use popular channels and formats to drive engagement and ensure high accessibility for readers across devices. Technology responsive design plus app development. Build a seamless user experience with responsive platform and dedicated apps to enable scalable digital growth. Phase 2, month 7 to 12 expansion. Scale to additional 4 cities. Expand reach to build wider audience coverage and reinforce the brand across more urban centers. Revenue models. Subscription bundling plus pay per article. Diversify revenue streams by introducing flexible payment options tailored to digital user preference. Analytics. Reader behavior tracking plus personalization. Monitor audience actions and deliver personalized experience, boosting engagement and advertiser value. Phase 3, month 13 to 18 optimization. Full portfolio digital integration. Consolidate all digital products for unified management and consistent user experience. AI-driven content recommendation. Enhance content relevance for users with intelligent, automated suggestions powered by artificial intelligence. Advanced advertisers analytics platform. Offer sophisticated tools for advertisers to measure and optimize campaign performance with actionable insights. Advertisers trust recovery plan. Government categories, brands like LIC and SBI. Showcase expertise in financial and public policy journalism. Deliver in-depth reports and analysis on government schemes, insurance and banking regulations to position the media as a credible partner for LIC and SBI. Exclusive access to government announcements and financial updates. Provide advertisers privileged coverage of public sector initiatives, policy changes and economic measures that impact these brands directly. Targeted financial literacy and customer outreach campaigns. Create campaigns that align with LIC and SBI's customer education goals, using data-driven audience segmentation for maximum outreach. Real estate categories, brands like DLF and Lodha. Local market intelligence and development insights. offer detailed hyperlocal reports on property development and market trends relevant to DLF and LODA projects to support their marketing strategies. Partner in developer events and virtual property shows. Collaborate on exclusive events and digital expos that enhance brand visibility and lead generation. ROI focused advertising with lead tracking. Provide transparent metrics focused on buyer inquiries, site visits, and sales conversions for real estate campaigns. FMCG category brands like HUL, Britannia. Customer behavior and regional market analytics. Share actionable insights into regional preference and purchase pattern to help HUL and Britannia tailor regional campaigns effectively. Track brand awareness and campaign effectiveness in real time. Offer detailed reporting on how FMCG ads influence brand recalls and buying behavior to build advertisers' confidence. Localize and seasonal campaign support. Develop focused campaigns around festivals, seasons, and regional tastes to boost advertisers' relevance. Automobile category brands like Tata Motors, Maruti. Unbiased product review and industry trend coverage. Publish expert and consumer review on Tata and Maruti vehicles, along with coverage of auto industry trends like EV adoption. Dealer and manufacturer collaborative marketing. Partner with dealers for co-branded events, test drive campaigns, and localized promotions. Share customer feedback and after-sale service analytics. Provide advertisers with insights into customer satisfaction and service performance to help refine marketing strategies. Implementation roadmap and next steps. Immediate actions. Next 30 days. Form digital transition task force. Assemble a dedicated team to coordinate and lead the transition process for focused execution. Technology partner elevation and selection. Identify and onboard best fit technology partners to support digital infrastructure goals. Content team restructuring planning. Realign editorial teams to support digital first workflows and content format. Prioritize city market research deep dive. Analyze local market condition to guide digital launches strategies and audience targeting. Short term next 90 days. Digital platform development initiation. Start building new digital platforms to lay the foundation for the transition. Advertisers engagement campaign launch. Implement campaigns to reconnect with advertisers and demonstrate media's evolving digital capabilities. Staff training and capability building. Equip personnel with the necessary digital skills to drive successful change. Pilot launch in Lucknow. Medium term 6 to 12 months. Full rollout in 3 prioritized cities. Expand operations to selected core market for sustained digital adoption. Performance measurement and optimization. Continuously track progress and optimize process for improve outcomes. Advertisers trust rebuilding campaign. Proactively work to win back advertisers' confidence through transparent communication and result. Subscription model implementation. Establish paid digital content models to secure steady revenue in the long term. Thank you for your time and attention.